morning. It's actually the afternoon. So I worked very late last night, and then as soon as I was like about to leave work, I was like, oh my gosh, I am so shot. Like, it sounded like he was right at my gate. So I was like, I felt like I was getting sick or something. Like, you know when you feel it coming on, like you're excruciatingly tired, and like, I don't know, I just felt it. Like, I don't know, maybe it was allergies. Anyway, as soon as I got home, I showered and then knocked out. And then I woke up today at pretty much 12 o'clock. Like, my husband had a thing today he had to speak at, and he got up really, really early. So I was up at 8 o'clock, and I was talking to him for a little bit, and then I literally just passed it back out. Pig. Anyway, it's kind of cold. As you can tell, I'm wearing a long sleeve and a robe, but I just really wanted to be outside because I need sun, and I'm like, you know what, in the fall, I would still go outside with a robe and have coffee, so it's basically like fall weather right now. And if you sit in the sun, it's really warm, so whatever. I have cameras. There's a camera by the door, like around the house, like security. But my tenants or neighbors are the ones that control it basically, so they're probably watching me talk to myself right now. Hi, babe.
Darling.
I'm so gorgeous. So this telephone booth was here for years, and it's like a staple of Davenport. Anyway, I just realized that the actual phone inside is gone, and I'm very upset. And he's telling me that it's been years that they took it out.
It's been at least 3 or 4 years.
Nobody uses a payphone ever. No one. In case of emergency. I'm shocked. Freaking stuck in the past. So what do you want?
Yeah. Supervise them.
I don't know, want to walk around, see what's around there?
Yeah. I just got nostalgic feeling of Lake George, walking to town.
Yeah, same kind of town, yeah. Well, not the same kind of town.
I don't know, I just got a feeling.
Yeah, that place was disgusting.
That was disgusting. They're closed down finally.
Yeah.
Every time I've been there, nauseating.
What's this?
Yeah, no. That's what I was saying, the bar when we just go to.
Yeah, but that's food.
I don't want bar food though. Oh yeah, you can't open it. Yeah, it's summer. That's the number. Wow, that's kind of too sweet for me. People watch. Oh, that's yours. That's mine. Good morning. It's sunny out today, so I'm gonna lay out. I'm gonna go out, do my routine outside, have my coffee, read, and just bask in the sun. I'm gonna get to my routine. Another beautiful day. The 58 from 60 degrees. It's supposed to go up to 65, I think, today. Or no. Yeah, 65, I think. This is my outfit. Look at the mess. And, okay, by the way, I'm definitely gonna wear this outfit again because my husband's in the city right now and I don't have any big plans other than filming and going to get a car wash and get a couple things at the store. So I feel like I'm wasting this really cute top, but it's okay. So if you see it again, don't judge. I'm wearing black denim. I changed into black denim with it, and I'll probably wear sandals, but I have these black little heels, strappy heels that I would wear with it if I was going on a date. But this is just such a cute shirt. I feel like I'm gonna wear it a couple times, so. Getting some Starbucks. Cleaned out my car and I went to the dry cleaner, but I'm debating on getting the car wash because it's gonna take about an hour. They always take about an hour, and it's already, what time is it? 4:45.
Okay, so it's extra ice in a grande cup, and then what else did you say? I'm sorry.
It's okay. Sweetener and then extra almond milk. I'm so confusing. Whatever. They're known for like specialty, like people like being really picky. Whatever. My hair looks good. It looks healthy, right? It looked better yesterday. Today it's a lot flatter, but I really like it.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Sure. Thank you, you too. It doesn't taste right today. Wow, what something's off. Something's very off. It's like very watered down. Ew, I'm very disappointed. I waited so long on that line. All right, I'm gonna go now. I'll check in with you guys later. Oh my God, heaven. Just like heaven. I changed my shirt because I was getting stuff in the store. Every time I went to get it was on the top shelf. My shirt like kept pulling up and it kept coming off the sleeves. It was so annoying, that shirt. It's very cute. It's more for like a date night. Like a date lunch or something. Just running back out to, well, my landlord was about to like go pick up the rent for me, and I ran home, but then I have to go back out, so I figured I'd just drop it off. Like, look at this house is. Okay, I don't live in this vicinity, whatever, but I live literally like 2 blocks over. So this is like the nice area. Oh my God, the houses on this side are so much nicer. The cute little patios. So I just ordered a pie, well, half a pie, and I called and I go like this. Hi, can I order half a Sicilian? Can I order half a Sicilian? Like, what the hell?
so scary.
Father's over here with pink eye. No, you're in the sun.
Yeah, okay, so
She went dark.
This is dark.
No, I know. It's
Ew,
much darker than.
so
No, you
ugly.
look actually really cute right now.
So scary. Alright, well, what's today's date? 23rd? Mark this on the calendar. I will never be blonde again.
Oh no, I'm not marking that.
Fine. I won't be blonde for the next 2 years. I'm only going darker.
Well, that makes sense.
And I don't even think I'm gonna make it till fall. Like
You better wear out the
can
hair. What do you
see,
mean?
Like,
Unless
I
it goes
could see
like
myself
brassy.
in like August, like being like, all right, I'm buying box light brown dye, cause I can't with the blonde anymore.
All right, let me see your roots.
So tacky. I'm so above it now.
Oh, it looks much better.
Thanks.
Show him the Wayne's World.
Okay.
Because a lot of you are not following me on Insta Story.
Tell me that I do not look like a combination of these two.
100%. Honey, you're so handsome.
Thank you, babe.
Let me see the fit. Come over here. It's another beautiful day. And actually it kind of looks gray cast right now, but the sun has been out all day. I'm in my husband's light sweatshirt because I don't own any regular shirts. I've come to realize that. It's like ridiculous. Like I need basic t-shirts, tank tops, everyday thin long sleeve. Like I don't know what I have. I really don't. It's like the weirdest thing. Okay, so I cleaned up my car yesterday or the day before, I don't remember. Just need to get rid of this stuff I'm giving away. And just get a car wash. Hubby's leaving me! And I actually really don't want him to go away this time. Like, I don't like it. I've been having like really weird dreams and trouble sleeping, so I'm just not happy that he's leaving.
You can shake an apple from an apple tree. Shake a sugar, but you'll never shake me. Memories press between the pages of my mind.
I literally start crying every time I hear that song. Why do I even put it on?
Maybe
Jeez. I was watching another documentary on him this morning. Just not even a documentary, I think it was just like YouTube videos of like Priscilla Presley and Lisa Marie and Graceland and all this different stuff, and it just got I just cry every time. I can't help it. I want to go to Graceland so bad to see his house. It's like a museum now. And yeah, it's definitely on the bucket list. Anyway, I'm on an Elvis kick. I love Elvis. But I think I get so emotional because obviously there's like a connection of my dad to him. So it's always like a bittersweet thing. It's like Elvis was my father. In a weird way, but okay, too emotional. Calm down, lady. Alright. I will meet you guys inside. Right on the fence this morning, a blue jay, a cardinal, or a red robin, I don't know what it is, same thing, right? And I forget what they're called. They're brown, but they have a red belly and a red beak. I don't know, but they were literally 3 little birds all perched up together on the fence. And one had a twig in their mouth. It was the cutest thing. I just have the cutest birds all by my apartment. Hey guys, so I am going to pay. No, I need it. Going to go pay my bills. And then I'm going to my niece and nephew's talent show. So, I had my dessert last night. I should have filmed it. I had the fudge cake. And I woke up this morning and I'm a fat lard. Fat, huge pig. Anyway, I want sushi. I want sushi. Oh, I gotta put this on, guys, you know. It's raining. This is what I do. I have to look cool in the rain, you know. Chipping nail, gotta do these. I was supposed to do the lighter blue this morning. The baby blue. On the way back, I'm gonna be in traffic for 2 hours. That's good. Okay, let's do a little questionnaire here. Who would you rather go like this to in their face? Die! A, when you walk into a store and the associates come up to you, hound you. Like, not just say hello, that's fine, but literally stalk you around, like it's Sephora or something, like, and you just want to be left alone. That person. 2, the person in the middle of the mall in those little kiosks that, would you like a sample? Oh, come here. And like grabs you over and gets you, like, you know what I mean? Like those annoying people. Or A, B, C, the associate or person wherever you're getting something to eat or whatever who is at the register ignores you for a good solid minute, like just talking. Which one, A, B, or C? Who would you rather go die in their face?
1 mile into emptiness. Still feel like you're mad. Still feel like you're mad.
If I don't eat, I'm gonna be very, very, very cranky. So what has it been? 3 days without hubs? 2 days? 3 days. I miss it. I don't like it. I don't like being without him. I've been pretty productive without him though, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so not that my hair is cute, but this weather is not the business. My sister's gonna stop home. I always steal an extra straw from Starbucks so I can have them if I need them. I got a buttered croissant. Because I'm so hungry. And I think I'm going out for dinner after. But I can't wait. Like, I only had a smoothie today. So, just needs a little chocolate. They have a new Starbucks, well, a couple new drinks. It's called strawberry green tea. So crazy. I wanted to get it, but I really just wanted that. I was in the mood, and I'm glad I got that because it's so good. But I feel like it would be good, the strawberry green tea.
I don't know. Oh yes, you did. You loved it. It was good here, right? Yeah. Hey, cheers. Oh, yours is cute. That's nice. Did I try it? That's your drink? Looks like a water.
You look like that.
I forgot. I'm not supposed to have it yet.
You give off the bartender. Yeah.
Are you crazy? Even one drink?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? No, one's fine.
You have the bartender.
I totally forgot.
I can see you.
Too sweet? Too sweet. Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Do it up.
Don't say that. Hi.
Why don't even taste the elders though?
Why do you think gin does that to you? Are you fine with tequila? Montepulciano, is that what it is?
Refino.
I don't know, I've never had it. It's probably dry. AF.
This is
One glass.
You fit a whole bottle of that thing. Just one glass. New favorite song.
Yeah. No, wait, you think this is too sweet?
Yes.
I don't think it's that sweet. Like, I don't think it's sweet at all.
Do you like that better?
I think so. Wow. It's a drum set.
Rider register. Like we met.
I am just basking in the sun, clearly. And I'm pretty sure today I'll be getting a car wash. I said that like 5 times in the vlog, I feel like. Ooh, look at the yellow. So beautiful. Whew, it's hot. Like right now is the perfect temperature. I cannot imagine it getting hotter. Like I'm not complaining when it does, but like 70s are just the best. I am gonna go pick up my laundry. I'm gonna go pick up my clothes from the dry cleaners finally. I got my pants hemmed and the padding in my top. I'll probably show you guys how it looks. Oh my gosh, guys, look at my nails. Can you believe? It's not the blue, if you can tell. It's the lilac. I told you guys Danny went away, right? He's back. He sent me a card, like I think the first day he was gone. And I didn't check the mail, and and once he was home he got the mail. He's like, "You don't check the mail, huh?" Anyway, he sent me like this cute little card. So cute. And then he acted like it wasn't his. He's like, "Who's that from?" The dry cleaners was closed. I said I was going to get a car wash, and again, I'm not going. I don't know why. I'm so weird. I just don't want to sit there for like an hour.
I just had to let you know you're
Love that song. Obsessed. I just don't like the cursing in it. So I got my little beach chair. It's not really for the beach, it's for my patio, but gosh. Oh, here comes the training car. This guy literally parks right by my car every day. Every day. Not today. This tree is gorgeous, right? But it doesn't stay pink, just like for a period of time. I Did so many dishes last night because I had Sam come over and we had dinner. I made dinner and I did so many and I left, and then this is how much was left. A lot still. Well, I used the blender this morning. But anyway, I asked Danny if he could do them, but he didn't do it. Little brat. Okay guys, I'm ending this vlog here because I just filmed a random current favorites, so that'll be up after this. I feel like a long period of time of footage, just like random. Everything's random, Charlotte, shut up. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.